First, open up RPCS3 and click on the Config button. As you can see, there's no Debug tab showing right now. So let's fix that. Go to your RPCS3 program folder, open the GUI configs folder. Then double-click the current settings.ini file to open it. Look for the line that says Show Debug tab equals false. And just change it to true. Exit and save it. Then go back to the main RPCS3 folder and launch RPCS3.exe again. Now go to Config Settings and check it out. There you go. The Debug tab is now available. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.